In the heart of the magical forest, Hippy the Hippo suddenly gets a case of the magical hiccups. Each hiccup sends sparkles flying, surprising his family. Cheery the rabbit, Wise Owl, and Buzzy the bumblebee. They laugh and cheer, but when the hiccups keep interrupting their picnic, they know they need a plan. Together, they decide to make Hippy laugh to help soothe his silly hiccups. Cherry tells jokes, Wise Owl performs a magic trick, and Buzzy buzzes around in funny loops. Finally, Hippy bursts into laughter, and poof! The hiccups disappear. They celebrate their teamwork with a picnic feast, learning that laughter and unity can solve even the most magical of challenges.